life every day.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, then welcome to the channel. Thanks so much for clicking on this video. I'm very excited for this one. I actually had intended to film a different video today, but I was so inspired that I knew I had to change up my plans and get this one filmed for you guys. So I actually just posted a haul last week, but the day after I filmed it, I had gone to the thrift store to make some donations, and I thought, oh, I'll just look around just for fun. I really didn't intend on buying anything, but I found 3 very fun vintage gems that I'm feeling so inspired and excited to style. So I thought it would be fun today to style up these recent vintage finds, and along the way show you some tips and tricks that I use to mix vintage with more modern pieces and make very wearable and fun outfits. So here's a look at the pieces that I will be styling today. The first item is this really cool button up by Liz Claiborne. The pattern features different locations in New York and different famous landmarks, and I think that it is so fun, and I think that it's really perfect for summer as well. This next item is very bold and a bit of a wild card. It's this vintage kind of top, maybe a jacket. I'm definitely going to be styling it as more of an outerwear piece, but I thought that the pattern was so fun and had so much potential for some funky outfits. The last piece is this beautiful kind of teal blue blazer. I think that it is so lovely, and I'm very excited about this one. And then as a bonus item, I'm going to be styling these really fun kind of flare jeans that I featured in my last haul. Although they are modern, I think that they give off a vintage vibe and will fit very fun with this video. So without further ado, let's hop right into these outfits. So here is the first look that I came up with. I wanted to start off by styling these pants since I was wearing them already. And I wanted to kick off the video with more of a simple and basic look to show you that you don't have to go over the top when incorporating vintage pieces. I feel like this is a fun take on a very simple outfit, maybe one that you already wear. I could see this t-shirt and sweater vest styled with denim or trousers, but I think that the flared jeans just give a really funky and unique spice to a very simple, approachable outfit. To finish off the look, I added some bold accessories, and I think that this is just a really fun play on a casual outfit. I think that I'll do one more outfit dedicated to these pants before we move on to some of the funkier jackets and that top, because I think they'd pair really fun with these pants as well. So let's keep going. You guys, I am obsessed with this outfit. I put this together kind of spur of the moment. I didn't know that I was gonna pair these things together. So I first started with this brown button up, and I was going for kind of a monochromatic look, but I wasn't feeling all of the brown together. I feel like it needed something to lighten it up. So at the last minute, I decided to reach for this sweater vest again. And I think that this is such a fun modern take on a 70s outfit. All of these pieces are modern, but paired together, I think they really give that retro vibe. Something about the pattern on the shirt, it's a bit more of a modern silhouette, but something about the floral on it really gives more of a vintage inspired look. Obviously, the silhouette of the bell bottoms, very 70s inspired, and the sweater vest layered on top. It all works together so well, and I feel like this is a very wearable and approachable way to do the 70s style. Let me know in the comments down below if this is something you would wear or if it feels a bit too costumey, but I really, really like this look. So the next piece that I wanted to style up is this really funky shirt slash jacket. I like styling it as a jacket, but I'm not sure how I feel about this outfit. There's something about it that I'm not loving. I still wanted to show you guys and walk you through the process of trial and error, but I think I'm going to swap a couple pieces out and see if I can make it better. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I like this a lot better. So the silhouette is kind of the same as the last outfit. I have another pair of flared jeans and a fitted top, but I think the reason that this works better is the color combos. So in the last outfit with the brown jeans, I feel like it would have looked really good if there was some brown in this pattern, but since there's not, I felt like the red tones were kind of competing with the brown in a non-flattering way. So I went for a more neutral color palette with some light wash jeans and my black tank and my black Converse, and I feel like it lets the jacket shine a little bit more. And I really like this look. I think the reason that I love vintage jackets and outerwear so much is because it's so easy just to throw on over a very simple base outfit, but it looks so interesting and unique. I think that this outfit might be one of my favorites. I stuck to the very simple silhouette, same jeans, fitted top, but I wanted to play with some color for this outfit. And one of my favorite combos is some kind of red paired with yellow. I just really think that they make each other pop in a really complimentary way. I knew when I picked up this jacket shirt thing that it was going to be kind of a wild card item, a little bit difficult to style, but I'm so glad that I went ahead and picked it up because I'm really digging this outfit as well as the last outfit. And if you want to get into patterned outerwear or funky jackets, I highly recommend just putting on a very simple base outfit, one that you're comfortable in and is flattering on you, and then just adding that funky third piece over top. It's one of my favorite outfit formulas. I wear various versions of it all the time, and I just kind of play with the color palette until I like it. And I'm just super into this outfit. And of course, I threw on some earrings because lately I feel like an outfit isn't complete without an obnoxious pair of earrings. Are you guys getting sick of these jeans? Because I'm not. I'm really into them. And I just had to pair them with this shirt because I feel like it picks up some of the brown details in the shirt and it makes the pattern pop more. And then I really like the look of these button-ups just layered over a basic tank top. I wear a lot of base outfits like this and then just throw outerwear on top, whether that's a patterned button-up or a funky jacket. I think this outfit is very simple and cute. And this is the only outfit I'm going to use with this shirt because the other way I was going to style it is just buttoned with a simple pair of jeans. But I feel like this video is getting a little long and we still have one more piece to style, so let's do it. How fun is this outfit? I love this so much. I know that the color combo is a little bit out there, but I think that the jewel tones of the pink and the teal really play off of each other so well. It took me a minute to figure out which shoes to pair with it, but I thought that I would keep it a little bit simple and go with a black bootie. I think that the heels elongate my legs really nicely. And the earrings are such a fun finishing touch. I styled these earrings a few videos ago, and I think that the pink and teal kind of stuck in my head, and that's what inspired me to pair these two together. This has to be one of my favorite looks from the video. I think that this is so fun. Another fun outfit. I am loving this blazer. I'm so happy that I picked it up. I knew when I picked it up that I wanted to pair it with these shoes because it really picks up that fun blue color that's in the pattern of the shoes and obviously on this blazer. I think that this outfit is a really fun mix of fancy and casual. Normally you probably wouldn't think to pair like a ripped pair of jeans with a more elevated shoe, but I think that it's a really fun contrast of styles. To finish off the look, you know that I added fun earrings, but I also added this black belt to kind of highlight my waist with this boxier blazer. And I'm really into this look. So the last outfit of the video, I just really wanted to let the blazer have its moment over a very neutral color palette. I'm mostly just wearing black with a little bit of white, but I think that the pattern of the skirt adds just a pop of fun in a very subtle way. To tie together the black and white theme, I kept on these fun earrings. And I really like the look of a more oversized blazer over something feminine like a midi skirt or a dress. I think that it's a really fun kind of unexpected combination, and then the Converse just make it very casual and wearable. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun putting these looks together for you. I hope it inspired you to play with vintage and modern styles and mix them together. If you did enjoy this video, I would so appreciate a thumbs up, and if you wanted to stick around and subscribe, I would be thrilled to have you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!